Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Nubia Air. So, we've got the ZTE Nubia Air right here, and if you want to fix no sound during calls, then what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons on the right side. So, as you guys can see here, we can enter the settings, but here you guys can adjust it, so turn it up or turn it down. We're gonna go over to the settings now, and here we want to go over to sound and vibration. As you guys can see, we cannot change the call volume right here, so it's only available while being in an active call. So try and change that, call up somebody and try and see if that makes a difference. If not, then what you guys want to do is go back into the settings, but this time go over to Bluetooth. Now make sure that Bluetooth is turned off to rule out any connected devices like your car, like your headphones and like your speakers. So this prevents the other devices to connect to your phone and basically steal the audio from your phone to them. Now what you guys want to do is you guys have a little earpiece right here, and if you have a soft brush available, then you guys can try and clean it. It'll definitely help you because then you will hear somebody. But if the entire earpiece is stuck or just dirty, then that may be the reason, because it may block the sound. Now, if you guys were using the phone app for calling somebody, then what you guys can do is try and use another app like WhatsApp, Instagram, basically anything that has a call support. If that doesn't help, then what you guys can do is restart the smartphone. So just hold the power button, the red button right here, and now click on restart and touch again to restart the device. Now your device should be restarting and it should take like 20 to 30 seconds. So I'll see you guys in a second. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is check for the software updates, because they can fix this issue. So go to the settings, and here you guys need to scroll a bit down until you guys see system and update almost at the bottom. Here what you guys want to do is click on system update, and let's quickly allow it. As you guys can see, let me quickly connect to Wi-Fi, and you will see that it will check automatically if you have the latest version. So now let's click again with the Wi-Fi. It will check for updates automatically, and you should be getting a button if you have an update available, or it will just say that you have the latest version available. So my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.